Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make Instagram profile card. It's very simple and easy process. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile phone and go to profile from the bottom right corner. In the Instagram profile you will see share profile option, so tap on it. On the next page you will see your Instagram profile QR code. So swipe it to the left side or swipe it to the right side to see your Instagram profile card. This is my Instagram profile card. You can also edit this by tapping on edit profile option. Then you have to download this card. So simply tap on the download button in the bottom. Then you will see two options. First option is to download QR code and second option is to download profile info. So select one option based on your needs. I am selecting profile info. You can see it saved in my phone. After that you can normally share your Instagram profile card with your friend or any other person. And this is how you can make Instagram profile card.